All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to go over PNG versus JPEGs. Over here, we have a PNG file, and you can notice right away that the background is transparent. And over here is the JPEG. It does have a solid background. You can't do this transparent background with JPEGs. They don't support layers or masks. So I'm going to show you here. I have layer 1. So if I hold Command and click it, I have a selection there. Boom. See that? And then it gets the model there. And this guy doesn't have that. I can click off the layer and then do the same thing, but you see the selection now is all the way around there. So that's the primary difference. I'm going to show you some more here. So I got this handy red background. But yeah, so check this out. This is a big difference. You can't, there's our PNG on a transparent background, and let's drag the JPEG over there. Oh, different. So this model here has a mask. That's what that's called, and I'm going to bring over the Photoshop doc. So you're going to want to get this from your photographer. See this here? I can toggle on the mask. See that? Transparent. Uh, put it on and off. So that's that's the primary difference. And then once you uh, enable that, now you can export it as a PNG. This is a Photoshop file, so you can export as a PNG, or you can turn that back on, and now you would export it as a JPEG. So that's the primary difference, is the background ability between JPEG and PNG. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like and let me know in the comments.